Hello, Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today is our official day 23rd of me uploading Shikwa Jawab Shikwa by Dr. Iqbal, and we're just moving ahead towards the Jawab Shikwa portion. I'm reading the stanza number 2, and it's very interesting actually. So without wasting any time, I'll start. पीरे गर्दू ने कहा सुन के कहीं है कोई, बोले से यारे सरे अर्शे बरी है कोई, चांद कहता था नहीं अहले ज़मी है कोई, कहकशा कहती थी पुशीदा यहीं है कोई, कुछ जो समझा तो मेरे शिकवे को रिजवां समझा, मुझको जन्नत से निकाला हुआ इंसान समझा. So Iqbal basically writes, पीरे गर्दू ने कहा सुन के कहीं है कोई. When my complaint reached to the, you know, those clouds, that one cloud, when one old cloud just said, just listens to my complaint and told that there is someone who's making this, there is someone who's making this noise, or maybe making a dua or whatever. बोले सयारे सरे अर्श बरी हैं कोई. Then the stars came and around the space they said no, don't, there's sare arsh bari hai koi, there may be someone in the space, there may be someone there here in the space who's present here and who's making these complaints. चांद कहता था नहीं अहले ज़मी है कोई. Then the moon said no, I'm closer to the earth, and I can recognize as this some sort of a voice coming from earth, not from the clouds or not in the space. कहकशा कहती थी पुशीदा यहीं है कोई. The universe states there is still कहकशा, that heaven. कहकशा, universe said no, the galaxy said someone's here, someone's here. कुछ जो समझा तो मेरे शिकवे को रज़वां समझा. There was only one person who actually understands my complaint, and it was Rizwan. Rizwan, it means it is actually a name of an angel who manages the heaven. मुझको जन्नत से निकाला हुआ इंसान समझा, and he recognizes me, that human who was exiled from the heavens. Basically, it is Iqbal is referring to that incident, which is also being referred in Quran, Surah Taha, about the story of Hazrat Adam, how he disobeyed the God, and in punishment the God sent exiled him from the heaven and sent him on earth, and this angel Rizwan was present there. He was the one who who take caretaker of heaven, an angel whose duty was to take care of the heaven. So basically, that angel recognized me, and he said, yeah, this is the same voice coming from just like human who disobeyed the God in heaven, and he was exiled and sent on to the earth. So this voice I can recognize. This is the same voice. This is the voice of humans. This is the voice of humans. So that was it. I think it will require me almost 10 to 20, no, 20, at least 20 more days to complete this. And after that, what will I do after that? I'll share you guys the routine what I'll do after that. But one thing is for sure, I'm not going to stop now, and not until I make money from YouTube and get settled and get out of that hectic 9 to 5 routine I'm stuck in. Now why avoid I repeat this again and again? Okay, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.